All right, this is Marley Bogdan with MarineMax in Pompano Beach aboard the Sea Ray SPX 190. This is a perfect little sport boat with a 150 horsepower Mercury on the back. Also has a ski pylon and a nice sun lounger here in the back, equipped with this dune tan upholstery. This boat also comes with a nice bimini top to get out of the sun. There's a couple cool features on this boat. Of the stainless steel grab rail and cup holders throughout the boat. This boat is also equipped with a built-in cooler that drains overboard. You just take the plug out there. Don't have to bring a cooler on this boat. Also have the Fusion audio controlled here with Bluetooth, a Simrad display, and a nice plush captain seat, also with the dune coloring as well. In the side console here, we have storage, boat covers, cushions, life jackets. And then in the bow, we have some nice seating up front with a removable cushion so you can step on and off the boat, along with the Fusion audio speakers in the front. If you're interested in this boat, give us a call or come see us here in MarineMax Pompano Beach.